Marriage, a sacred bond woven by love, patience, and a shared vision. It is more than a legal contract. It is the commitment of two souls who have decided to walk life's path together through joy and hardship side by side. Imagine for a moment the profound union between two people standing together at the edge of the world, hand in hand, gazing upon the vast horizon of possibilities. In marriage, we commit not only to another person, but to a journey of growth, support, and unity. Like the dance of the oceans, marriage is a constant ebb and flow, sometimes calm, sometimes turbulent, but always beautiful in its rhythm. The true power of this sacred bond lies not in the grand moments alone, but in the quiet, unspoken understandings that pass between two hearts. In marriage, we are often faced with mirrors, reflections of ourselves in the other. Each partner, in their own way, acts as a guide, revealing both our strengths and vulnerabilities. It is through these reflections that we grow. The journey of marriage is not one of perfection, but of transformation. It is a shared path where each step is an opportunity for deeper self-discovery and mutual understanding. In supporting each other, we uncover parts of ourselves we may never have known existed. Marriage, in this sense, is an ongoing journey of learning patience, learning empathy, and most of all, learning love in its deepest forms. Love is the foundation of marriage, but not just any love. It is a love rooted in commitment, respect, and a deep sense of care. This love transcends the fleeting moments of passion and moves into the realm of spiritual practice. In marriage, love is not a passive emotion. It is an active, living force. Every day, we choose to show up for each other with kindness, patience, and understanding. True love in marriage is not without its challenges, but it is the willingness to nurture this bond through life's ups and downs that makes it sacred. It is a commitment, cultivated not just in moments of joy, but in times of hardship, where love becomes an ongoing choice to honor, respect, and uplift one another. Respect is the cornerstone of any strong relationship, and marriage is no different. It is through mutual respect that unity thrives. To truly honor one another means to support each other's individuality, dreams, and personal journeys. True unity in marriage is not about blending into one person, but about celebrating two distinct souls who, through love, choose to walk side by side. It is the space where both partners maintain their individuality while creating a shared vision for their lives together. It is in this balance of respect that marriage becomes a true partnership, where each individual is uplifted, not diminished, by the other. Science has long shown that love and connection are not just emotional experiences, they are physiological ones. Healthy, supportive relationships activate the brain's pleasure centers, releasing chemicals like oxytocin and dopamine that promote happiness and reduce stress. Marriage, then, is more than just an emotional bond. It is a path to greater physical and emotional well-being. Couples who support each other in their shared journey experience reduced stress, improved immune function, and greater longevity. This is the body's natural response to love and connection, proof that marriage, when nurtured, has far-reaching benefits for both mind and body. In marriage, the storms will come. Life's challenges are inevitable, but it is how we face them together that defines the strength of the bond. Each challenge, no matter how difficult, carries with it the potential to deepen our connection and fortify our relationship. When partners face adversity together, they forge a stronger, more resilient bond. Trust deepens, compassion grows, and understanding blossoms. These challenges, though they may test us, ultimately serve as the crucibles in which our love and unity are refined. It is through overcoming them together that we discover the true strength of our commitment. Marriage, in its most profound form, is not just a union between two people, it is a legacy. The love shared between partners creates a ripple effect, extending far beyond their own lives, influencing the generations that follow. Children grow up in the warmth of their parents' love, learning lessons of compassion, patience, and resilience. These values are passed on, not in grand speeches, but in the quiet actions and daily rituals of family life. In this way, marriage is not only a journey of personal growth, it is a journey that creates a lasting impact, shaping not only the present, but the future. As the day transitions into night, so does the journey of marriage. It is a continuous evolution, an ever-deepening connection that brings greater peace, understanding, and unity. Marriage is not a destination, but a journey, one that requires constant nurturing, reflection, and growth. It is through this partnership that we discover not only each other, but also ourselves. With each passing day, we are invited to show up as our best selves, to offer love, patience, and support, and to grow together. When you reflect on the bonds you share, may you find inspiration to nurture and honor them, knowing that marriage is more than a commitment. It is a journey, a sacred path of unity, growth, and inner harmony. As we journey through life, the bonds we share with those we love become the true foundation of our peace and growth. Marriage, in its purest form, is an invitation to deepen our connection, embrace transformation, and honor the shared path we walk. If this message resonated with you, if you found peace in these words, I invite you to like this video, share it with someone you cherish, and subscribe for more reflections on love, growth, and unity. May you carry this sense of harmony with you today and always.